In our small rural community, we've always believed that the library is more than just a place for books. It's a hub for support, connection, and empowerment. After hearing from our community members, it became clear that mental wellness was a growing challenge, especially in the wake of the pandemic. That's when we took action. Inspired by the Healing Library kits developed for children, we created our own Tough Topic kits, designed specifically for teens and adults facing mental health and personal challenges. Each kit is carefully curated with 3 to 4 books on the topic, an AV item like a DVD or audiobook, an activity to support learning, and a folder filled with vital community resources, worksheets, and note-taking tools.
We have partnered with local therapists and community organizations to ensure that the information in these kits is accurate, relevant, and supportive. This collaboration has been key to ensure that these kits are more than just books, and that they're a lifeline to further support.
After a tragedy in our local school, the demand for mental health resources for teens skyrocketed. We knew we had to expand our efforts, especially for our youth. That's when we partnered with Mountain View Family Resource Network to develop and promote additional teen kits across our entire region. Launched this spring, our Youth Tough Topic kits have been heavily promoted by local schools and community partners. They're already making a difference, circulating multiple times and being utilized in many programs. For adults, our kits cover essential topics like depression, healthy relationships, job hunting, addictions, grief, mindfulness, adulting, and trauma. For teens, we've focused on critical areas like puberty, self-discovery and identity, depression, relationships and consent, and mental health. These kits aren't just about providing information. They're about bridging a gap in our community. As a small rural library, we don't have the resources to employ social workers, but we've created something that offers immediate, meaningful support. With the support of our community partners, these kits offer more than just knowledge. They offer hope. They're a testament to what's possible when a community comes together to support one another. At the heart of this initiative is a simple belief: everyone deserves access to support, especially in tough times. Our Tough Topic kits are our way of making sure that help is always within reach. Because at our library, we believe in turning challenges into opportunities for support, growth, and wellness.